Hello friends, these days you must have seen some viral photos on Instagram or Facebook, and what makes those photos special is that there are actually two photos in one. The first time you see it, it can be a bit confusing, but if you look closely at the background, you will notice that there is another person's photo hidden inside that background. Most people use celebrity photos for this, and that is why these photos go viral. In return, they get likes, followers, comments, and everything. If you want to create such photos and make them go viral on social media, or just want to have fun with your friends by creating personal photos, watch this video. Because in this video, I will show you how you can do it in just 2 minutes. So let's start the video, but before that, I want to remind you that if you have not liked the video yet, please do so. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe to the channel. I am Bilal and you are watching DigiLearner. So the first thing you need to do is open any browser on your smartphone and search for Hugging Face. The first website that appears, simply click on it to open. Once you have opened it, you will see an interface like this. The first option you will see is Illusion Diffusion. Just click on it. After clicking, you will need to upload the image you want to edit from your smartphone. Simply click here, select the photo from your smartphone and click Done. The photo will be added here. Next, you can adjust the strength of the illusion effect. If you set it to the maximum, your photo will be quite clear. If you set it to the minimum, there may be some distortion. I recommend setting it to 1.25 or 1.3 as it's the best setting. Below you will see some examples of patterns and effects you can choose. For now, I would not select any specific pattern or effect. Now you need to input a proper prompt to describe how you want your photo to look and what you want to see in the background. For example, I will write a prompt like design an enchanting alien with a picturesque countryside scene. You should write a similar prompt. I will also include some good prompts for you in the video description. Now simply click on run. You might see an error like this application is too busy, keep trying, because many people are using this website. Don't worry, just click run again and again. It might take a little time. Finally, your photo is ready and you can see that it matches the prompt perfectly. Such photos often go viral, just like I mentioned earlier. To download the photo, you will find a download button here. Click on it to download your photo. Now share the video especially with friends and family members who create reels and such content. This trick can work wonders for them and they will get a lot of followers. Share the video, like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until then, take care and goodbye.